This cordless leaf blower was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it, putting it together, and testing it outside by moving rocks back into my dog run. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged neatly. Inside the box, you'll find the leaf blower, two 5.2 AH rechargeable batteries, the battery charger, and the blower tube, the adjustable shoulder strap, and the instruction manual. As I take everything out of the box, I show each component up close so you can get a better look at everything that's included. Next, I assemble the blower. The blower tube installs quickly, and after inserting one of the batteries, it's ready to use in just a few minutes. I also show the adjustable shoulder strap, which is a nice addition if you're using the blower for longer periods, since it helps support some of the weight while you're working. According to the manufacturer, this blower delivers up to 650 CFM of airflow and features 3 speed modes, allowing you to choose the amount of power you need for different cleanup jobs. Now it's time to take it outside. For today's demonstration, I use it to move rocks that have been kicked out of my dog run back to where they belong. I start on one of the lower settings before switching through the different speeds so you can see the increase in airflow. Having multiple speed options is nice because you don't always need maximum power for every job. As I continue working, you can see the blower moving the loose rocks across the ground. It's also lightweight enough that it's comfortable to carry while walking around the yard. One thing that I like is that it includes two 5.2 AH batteries, so you have a second battery ready when the first one needs to be recharged. Throughout the video, I continue clearing different sections so you can get a realistic idea of how the blower performs in an everyday situation. Overall, I think this is a practical cordless blower for routine yard maintenance.